staff today, especially in the biodiscovery lab, to prototype and work on a session on viruses. So next, are they going to draw if the table is a cell, then how large? Well, they can cut out a piece of the paper to represent a virus. We were able to come together, work with the Innovation Hub to print some 3D models of viruses, work with also the Art Center, where they came in and worked with the children around creating virus models using different types of materials that complemented what they were doing with some folded icosahedron printed materials that we have found through a university outreach program. Maybe we need some tape. It looks good this side. Good job, congratulations.
But today the class was awesome because every students were involving in the doing the paper activities and playing the drama role, and also they were very interested to use the clay to prepare different shapes of the viruses. So each students will involved in all the activities. They don't want the break also, even when we say to go the break.
The children were fantastic. They seemed very, very engaged with the hands-on activities. The staff were also very receptive. Of course, it was kind of a challenge to actually work with a group of children whose primary language was Telugu, but the staff was fantastic in terms of translating and even working with videos and finding a video of about virus life cycles that was in Telugu that was appropriate for children to learn. So let's pretend this is one virus. Chaya has been really instrumental in thinking about what were the appropriate types of activities, the duration of the activities, and Rashmi as well has been very helpful in thinking through the essential topics and concepts that the children should learn.
Again, I want to thank one more team, that is Sarga Samvad. So they are bringing different peoples to make the students very curiosity. So thank you for Sarga Samvad team also.
I hope that these will give the Agastya staff some inspiration to further develop and improve on these particular activities, and hopefully next time I come back they will be even better, as I assume that they would be at Agastya.